Nababakabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Balibago, Angeles City, and we were invited by Sweet Pastry. If you remember guys, way back around 2016, 2017, when we were able to feature them for the first time sa Florida Blanca, and now meron po silang branch dito sa Balibago and they are serving a lot of good things. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! The last dish that came in, chicken alfredo, creamy, and then you got parang mga crispy chicken on top.
Opo.
Again guys, kasama natin ever beautiful Ma'am Zhang. Thank you so much po for inviting us. Congratulations po on your newest brand. Sasama niya tayong kumain dito. And at the same time, let's introduce na rin po.
Okay.
Habang mainit po yung mga pagkain natin. Sige, let's start with the appetizers. These are your calamari and mozzarella sticks. Ayan. Wow, this one's good.
Mozzarella stick.
Wow. Look at that. So you call them?
Mashi toast.
Mashi toast.
Yes. Mashi mean delicious po in Korean.
So how many flavors or variants do we have, ma'am?
We have 10 flavors po available.
Look at this. Eat me! Sabi niya. Basing on the size, para siyang complete meal. So we have greens, yung protein, and then yung carbo. Yun lang guys, it's very heavy on sauce. So a little bit more calories yung i-consume mo dito. If nasatisfy ka naman, guilt-free tayo doon.
Yeah.
You do franchise for this one?
Yes po. Nagpa-franchise po kami. Mashi Toast. You can message our Facebook page po at The Mashi Toast.
Hindi lang siya plain Korean bread, no? So parang garlic butter.
Yes po.
Tama ba?
Naglagay kami ng garlic parmesan butter.
I'll try this one, pero again, they have smoothies.
Triple chocolate smoothies. Mga best sellers.
Pizza.
Okay, sir.
I wanna try this while it's really hot, no? So you have two variants, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Pero all in all, how many flavors do we have?
8 flavors po,
8
sir.
flavors, okay.
Yan po yung mga best seller natin. That's beef mushroom po. 185 lang yan, sir. Size 10 inches.
For this size, guys, if you notice, it's loaded. Ang dami niyang sahog, guys. This one is?
This one po, new flavor namin. White seafood pizza.
So it's new.
Yes po. Fan of seafood po ba kayo, sir?
Super. Sweet Pastry, ma'am, became popular for your cakes.
Yes po, opo.
Help me recall, ma'am, sino yung mga famous like celebrities sinervan natin ng mga cakes natin?
Sir, si Miss Jillian Ward sa
Yes.
GMA7. In-endorse niya yung namin, yung famous flan sampler. 4 flavors in one cake. Meron siyang red velvet, choco moist, ube, tsaka salted
You
caramel.
call it?
Flan samplers.
But for customized, ma'am, like wildest imagination ba? Like, can you do some mga multi-level, multi-tier na, no?
Yes, sir. Meron kami sample, sir, yung medyo malaki namin, 12 feet, 18 feet. Meron kasi nang nagawa last year, sir, yung sister ko. Sobrang taas din.
Simple events up until sa mga grand events na mga ganito yung kailangan natin for cakes, you serve them.
Yes, sir. Yes. Ito po yung namin, cake sampler. Ito naman, sir, 6 flavors in one. Yung mga best sellers namin, nandito like dark chocolate, red velvet, mocha, carrot. Kung nagda-diet ka, sir, meron tayong banana din, and the ube moist.
I don't know what to pick.
Sir, favorite po actually ng may-ari din si Ate Kat, yung
Ate Kat.
flavor na ube.
Shout out, Ma'am Kat. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you again.
Sa customized cake po, pwede tayong pumili ng mga flavors like ube moist, chocolate moist, and red velvet moist. Meron tayo, sir, ito like for example, this is chiffon. Parang sponge, sir.
There you go. So that's what I'm about to ask. So para silang chiffon. But aside from cake, so you call these cuppies?
Cuppies.
Cuppies.
Parang pang-cute lang.
Pinang-cute na cupcakes. Cuppies.
Yes po, because they are so tiny.
Pero yung base natin is cheesecake.
Yes po,
Okay.
baked cheesecake siya actually, sir. Yung pastry, sir, parang fun siya ng leche flan kasi hindi masyadong matamis. So as you can see, halos namin cake, sir, may leche flan on.
Yes! Nakita ko po dun sa chiller nyo, parang ang daming yung variants for the leche flan.
Yung mga leche flan kasi natin, sir, mga homemade sila.
This is cheesecake naman.
Yes po. Iyan, sir, best seller namin until now, simula ng November, yung nilabas namin. Bali, yung tawag po namin sa kanya is cheesecake de leche. Ito sir, napunta na sa sa NCR, sa...
So, umikot na siya sa
Yes,
Pilipinas.
Sir. Sana all umiikot. Meron siyang graham.
Fresh graham.
And then, ito sir, no-bake cheesecake.
Okay.
Tapos po, meron siyang caramel sauce. And then, yung leche plan natin.
Wow! Here's what's in the inside, guys. Look at that.
Sir.
So there's a difference, no? This is a little bit more parang pudding side dun sa cheesecake natin dito.
Yes, sir. And, no-bake po siya.
No bake. Mag-gym na kami.
Sira yung diet, sir.
Now when you go here, guys, this place is again perfect for unexpected date. Aside from the cakes, aside from the pizza, we also have pasta. This one is called
Italian pasta.
Italian pasta with meatballs.
Yes, sir.
So this is the savory part of the date when you go here. This is how much?
125.
So we still have chicken alfredo and this blueberry cheesecake. At least we have introduced them po yung mga pagkain natin. We're gonna enjoy this more offline. Explain more about the business details, ma'am.
Don Gueco, Mountain View, sa Balibago, Angeles City. Kung papunta po tayo ng Marquee Mall, right side po after ng Rusi, before ng fresh option.
And we are open what time?
9 a.m. until 8 p.m. po.
Monday to Sunday?
Tuesday to Sunday,
Tuesday to Sunday.
Chinese kami, sir. Bali Monday yung day off namin.
Alright, alright. Are we available po via order and delivery?
Yes
or?
po, yes po.
Okay.
You can contact us po sa FB page namin, The Sweet Pastry, Balibago Angeles.